Hi guys, welcome back again to our channel. In today's video, we'll be taking a closer look at the HP Revolve Docking Station. Specifically, it's the 810 HP model. This docking station here is a great addition to your setup if you're looking for more connectivity options and ways to charge your HP Revolve laptop. Let's see some of its features. Firstly, it offers a wide range of connectivity options, including VGA display port. You can see them here. It offers a Ethernet, USB 3.0 and audio ports. This means you can easily connect all of your peripherals such as monitor, keyboard, mouse, any other gadget that you may want to use. Let's see how it works. First, you'll plug it in that way to a power source, and then use your laptop to mount it. Let's see how it works. Make sure it's firmly placed and turn it on that way. You can see here. And there we are. It's fully mounted on the laptop is fully mounted, and it can charge. And you can operate using other devices while it's connected on the docking station. Thank you guys for watching. Let's meet on the next video.